Most people are one medical bill away from going broke. Build your 6-month emergency fund today and open your financial umbrella.
Rich people buy assets that print money. Poor people buy liabilities that drain it. Know the difference.
Leaving your money in a savings account? Inflation is the silent thief eating your purchasing power every single day. Start investing. Don't try to find the needle in the haystack. Buy the whole haystack. Index funds are the ultimate cheat code for passive wealth. That $5 daily coffee costs you $1,800 a year. Invested over 30 years? That's over $100.
Paying minimum balances on your credit card is a financial death sentence. Break the hamster wheel. Pay it off in full, every month.
Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify across stocks, real estate, and gold to bulletproof your portfolio against crashes.
If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Build systems, not just a salary.
Chasing the latest crypto pump because your friends did? That's FOMO. Smart money buys quietly. Dumb money buys the hype.